Some people ask me, what is the effect of mobile number in your life? What is the impact of mobile number combination in your life? Does it really have an effect? Or people just get curious to get a special number? If you ask me, I would say yes. Definitely it has an effect, but it is not the only factor in your life, but it is one of the factors. Let's say you have a fantastic date of birth. Your birth chart is amazing. Your Raj Yoga or Silver Yoga is getting completed. Your profession is aligned with your birth chart. Your name spell is coming on the perfect number. But if your mobile number doesn't come on a perfect number, then it might be a hindrance in your success. It might so possible that some of the orders, some of the business deals are getting slipped from your hand. It's possible. I'll explain that in this video from driver number 1 to 9. What should be the perfect mobile number? Rather, what should be the mobile total number it should come on depending on your driver number. Welcome to my channel Sankhya Tattva. I'm Momita Banerjee, numerologist and life coach. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit on the bell icon so that you can be notified on my upcoming videos, and share this channel with your friends, family, so that everybody can be benefited out of it. Before start the video, I want to give you a heads up, because nowadays in market a lot of videos are going on regarding mobile numbers, that you should not have multiple 4s, multiple 8s. Your mobile number cannot end with 8, 4, 2, 7, and a lot of ideas are going in the market. But I would say that a lot of analysis leads to paralysis. I'll explain from driver 1 to 9 what should be the mobile number total, perfect mobile number total should come on to. After that, you decide yourself. So, if you're driver number 1, let me explain that before discussing the driver from the driver number 1 to 9. What is the ideal calculation? How to calculate your mobile numbers? How the total should be calculated? In India, we have 10-digit mobile number, and it's prefixed with the country code. Like in India, the country code is +91. If you're in Dubai, the country code would be +971. If you're in Singapore, it would be +65. If you're in UK, it should be +44, and so on. I would say to calculate the mobile number, you have to ignore the country code. Because whenever you're taking the mobile number from the service provider of that particular country, they give you the mobile number, not the country code. Country code comes automatically because their service provider is connected or been licensed in that country. So you should not calculate the country code. You should calculate the mobile number only. Like in India, we have 10-digit mobile number, and you have to do the total of the entire 10 digits. Suppose if it's coming to 26 or any double digit number, then you have to bring it down to a single digit. Let's say if it's 26, you have to do the total of 2 plus 6 again. It will come to 8 in this case. So you calculate your mobile number only the 10 digit and have to bring it down to the single digit. So let's start with driver number 1. If you're driver number 1, your mobile number total, that single digit which I have mentioned, it can never come to 8 at any cost. And I would say please avoid 4 also. If it's 8 or 4, if your mobile number is coming to, and if you're driver number 1, it will create unnecessary struggle in your life. The perfect mobile number total should be 1, 5, 6, 3, any one of these. So let's move on to driver number 2. If you're driver number 2, then your mobile number total should never come to 4, 8, 9. The perfect total should be 1, 5 and 6. If you're driver number 3, then your mobile number total should never come to 6. If it's so, then your relationship sector can be little bit of poor. It can be little bit of affected. Struggle will be little more. So what should be the perfect or the best mobile number total? It can come to 1, 5, or can be also 7. I would say avoid 8 and 4 also. If your driver number 4, then I would say that the mobile number total should never come to 4, 2, 9, 8. Otherwise, it will create unnecessary struggle. The best total should be 1, 5, 6, and 7. Now, the driver number 5. Ideally, you can keep any mobile number total, but still, I would say please avoid 4 and 8. It can come to 1, 5, 6, 3, 7, any one of these. Now, the driver number 6. Like 3, the mobile number total should never come to 3. Like in driver number 3 case, I have asked to not to keep the total on 6. In 6, it is the reverse. It should never come to 3. It can come to 1, 5. Also, please avoid 4 and 8. It would be better. Now, the driver number 7. Driver number 7, I would say to avoid 4, 8, 2. And you can keep to 1, 5, and 6. The best mobile number total should be 1, 5, 6. The next driver number is driver number 8. If your driver number 8, your mobile number total should never come to 1. And I would say to avoid 4 also. So the perfect mobile number total should be 5, 6, or you can keep it on to 3 also. Now the next driver number and the last driver number is driver number 9. If your driver number 9, your mobile number total should never come to 2, 4 and 8. You can keep it to 1, 5, 6, sometimes 3 also. You can consider, you can keep it to 7 also, but it's better that you avoid. You keep between 1, 5 and 6. So that's all from the driver number 1 to 9. And I would say that you do the total of your mobile number also. And as I've mentioned, you keep the mobile number total onto those numbers only. I hope this video is beneficial for you and this content you liked. Let me know in comments what is your mobile number, what is your driver number, and what is the total of your mobile number is coming to. In my next video, I think that I can bring a new topic for all of you. If you have any suggestion, then also you let me know. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Namaste.